Since 1949, Payne Auto Group is the Rio Grande Valley dealer to meet all of your automotive needs for family, farming, ranching, commercial, and fleet. With Payne Pre-Owned Centers valley-wide, we offer the Payne Promise, including price match guarantee and 72-hour exchange on the certified pre-owned vehicle that you want. Payne Pre-Owned Centers have over 35 financial lenders in our network to get you approved with our hassle-free online credit application. Special financing is available. Plus, if you want to know the current value of your vehicle and are curious about trading it in, use our online tools to know what your vehicle is worth. We use the best tools in the industry to get you the best deal on your vehicle, which is why Payne Pre-Owned Centers have 5-star experience when you check out our ratings on Google and Facebook. We have what you want at Payne Pre-Owned Centers in Harlingen, Weslaco, Edinburgh, 2 locations in McAllen, and at PayneAutoGroup.com. Lo que tú quieres, regardless.